Hey everyone, it's Dan here from Flexxable. I hope you're well. All right, today I want to talk to you about the predicament that people have when they're growing their agency and they've got, maybe 10 clients, 15, 20 clients or whatever that is, and they've got some legacy clients that they've worked with that they started getting results for, and they might not be paying the kind of money that they should be paying. Before I go into this and what I would do in these situations, then please subscribe below. I was on a call this morning with my mastermind, and one of the guys that came on said, listen, we've landed some chunky new clients. We're on a revenue share deal, a hybrid deal where we get paid a percentage of all of the business we bring in, and it's a great deal. And there's a few more deals on the table like this, but I have 3 clients that are paying 1,000 Australian dollars a month that we've had from the start. And I feel bad about letting these people not continue with us. But I'm also thinking I've got a couple of new staff members and maybe I can move them over to there to try and get them trained up and to cut their teeth, helping these type of clients with, Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever it is. What should I do then? Because I've got big opportunities over here. And we it's never black or white, right? So I had to kind of ask questions and delve a little bit deeper into what the situation actually was. And the 2 new people he'd hired are starting from scratch with no experience whatsoever in marketing. I think one's a Filipino and another one's from Upwork. And he's just getting them started as generalists, I guess, within the business. And kind of the more I heard about this and the more I heard about the opportunities with the performance-based clients that he'd been working with or he'd just landed, I was kind of their opinion that I don't think it's a good idea to continue working with these people. All right, the 3 smaller clients. I know that's going to take a hit to the ego, and it might be tough to let these people go that you've got a great relationship with. So maybe an alternative is to not let them go, but just say, listen, we're growing as an agency and I've got additional overheads and staff that I'm trying to hire, that I have to hire. And I really want to keep working with you, but we're going to have to double our price. It's a retainer contract for 1,000 Aussie dollars a month. We're going to have to double that. I understand if this doesn't work for you, and I feel really bad about it, which he is going to do. But business is business, and we're growing, and in order for you to stay with us, this is just what we're going to have to do. And that's, sometimes in this situation, you can't let your emotions get in the way. You need to treat people with respect and be able to continue to have that relationship with people, but honesty and being straight up front with them about what's happening, and saying to them that, this is just the way it's got to go. They will understand this, and it's probably likely you'll get 2 out of 3 of those clients to double their retainer without question. If you are experiencing situations like this, then the first thing I would do is try and talk to someone about the situation rather than trying to do it yourself and think of yourself what the right thing to do is. You probably want to, if you have our mastermind and you're able to kind of come and jump on the call and talk to me and other agency owners about it, then that's going to give you some different insights and some different reasons why you should do this and why you shouldn't do that. So that always helps. Get some second opinions, because it's not always a one-size-fits-all solution. You've got to be able to make those tough decisions to protect your agency, to be able to essentially earn more money with less clients and with less overheads and less headaches. And it's important that you protect your agency by doing these things. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about how you can fire retainer agency type clients, retainer clients, and people who are locked in for long-term contracts with you where they don't pay you enough and you want to move to a performance model, I've got a game plan. You'll find the link below this video, which explains exactly how one of my students, let's call him Agency L to protect the innocent, actually moved away from doing the hard slog of growing a retainer-based business to moving to performance-based model, and how that worked for him. And the game plan that he took and the steps that he took in order to do that. It's going to be very powerful for you if you are thinking about performance-based marketing. It's free. Just click the link below and you'll be able to get your hands on it. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care.